there, this is Barbara Template, and this is another video about Canva, how to use Canva for your business, tips and tricks about Canva and new features. So today I'm going to show you another or one of the new features or the latest features, and that's how you can control your animations. Canva has great animations. You can animate elements, you can animate fonts or writing, you can animate the pages, but before it wasn't possible to control it, to control the speed or the style of animation, and now it's possible. So let's see how you can do it. So I'm going to share my screen and open my Canva. So here I've prepared a post. It's a simple Instagram post with some text in this post, okay? I'll just make it a little bit bigger so you can see it better. So how we can do this? So we go up here to three dots and, I already got an animation. Okay, so to animate, or animation, this one is a text animation. Okay, so I'll choose what kind of animation of the text I would like. For example, I will show it on this one on typewriter. So you just click on this, and before that was all, it wasn't possible to do anything else. Now when you click on the animation, here are the three lines or three dots, and when you click on the three dots, here are the tools that you can adjust your animation. So what you can do, you can adjust the speed. That's great, because sometimes when you put, for example, when you animate the text in your video, it doesn't really correspond with the speed of video. So you can adjust the speed of the animation. Here you can adjust whether you want the word, to be this style of typewriter, or you want each character, and then you can animate it from on enter, so it goes from one side, on exit, or both. So as simple as this, you can animate your text. Let's choose something else. Let's go, for example, for block. Okay, so again we go three dots, and here we've got the options to animate on enter, on exit, or both. Or let's try one more, one of the typical one, for example, pan. Again, we go to three lines or three dots, and here we can animate or adjust the speed, the direction, from which direction the text comes, on enter, on exit, or both. So as simply as this, you can control the animation of your text. Let's try this with whether there are some options with elements. So let's go for elements. Let's, for example, try this one, this heart, and we go to animate. So here there's no option because it's just an element. Let's see if we can do it with the whole page, animate. And with the page, there's also this option. So as you can see, this option is only with your text. You can also, as you can see over here, remove the animation. Page animation, text animations, or if you click on your text, you will find it here. So it's always, when you just click on some effect, it does that effect in the basic version, but when you click on three lines with the dots, there are the options of different adjustments. It's usually you can animate it, speed, or if it's relevant, the writing style. For example, here we have character, we have word, we have a line, we have an element. So plenty of things to play around, to make your animations or to make your videos, post designs more interesting. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, just ask me, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video about Canva and tips about Canva. And